What's up, my people? It's your boy JB Nice, aka Soup, not the rain. I always stand for Soup. The only comedy of the year. I stand for Soup. The reason why I'm here this afternoon to share this breaking of heart to everybody. This is breaking of heart at the verse every day. If I don't say at the verse, now they know why the verse. I just went to supermarket this afternoon to buy some stuff. You understand? So I say, let me just take some garden egg. 3 seed of garden egg. 3 seed of garden egg. €5. We be say for my backyard for village. 3 seed of a garden egg. €5. Nigeria money is 2,000. If you hold 2,000 in Nigeria, you can buy basin of okra. You can buy basin of garden egg. If you hold 2,000 in Nigeria, do you know how many foodstuff you will use and buy? Why it be like that? That is the reason why I'm the verse. That is the reason why I'm provoking right now. At the verse, if many people they blame Buhari. Even me myself, I they blame Buhari. You know why? Not be the way one that they blame Buhari. They go me, they blame and they go deep because Buhari self don't know himself. If they give me that seat where Buhari did, I swear to God, Nigeria go correct. No be like me the time. Maybe Buhari just give me the seat for just 1 month. Nigeria go correct. What did they solve? Where be say our mama they suffer, our papa they suffer for village. Where be say na they evil get waiting they supposed to they live the best thing in life, the most important thing in life. Now our mama get them for village. Your mama when they talk so are you when they watch your mama now they get waiting. They make me they survive when they make you they survive when they make it money even the Dangote all of the way when they say they get money tomorrow now our mama get waiting the day they survive and waiting they invest me and those things not the cost. See Europe here now 3 seed of garden egg €5 in Nigeria money now 2,000. If they give me that seat make I tell you make I break your heart this afternoon. Because anytime when I come for election, say I want vote, me not just vote for me. Because when I vote for me, everybody will run for Nigeria. Nigeria go correct. You know why? Because light is not our problem. Road is not our problem. The problem we have in Nigeria is that we don't make use of our agriculture. Those things supposed to cost. If they give me that seat today, my guy, 1 bag of rice now 1 million. 1 bag of beans now 1 million. Groundnut toye. Groundnut rice, rubber of groundnut toye, it will be 2 million. Everything are from million. Yam 500,000. Carton of fish 2 million. You know what I mean? So red toye 2 million. Groundnut toye 1 million. Or everything 1 million. The only thing we go cheap, maybe salt and Maggi. If I take that seat, only salt and Maggi. Now I go put for 50 naira. You know why? Because our mama when they village, now those things now they important for their life. Those just Maggi and salt. Now then they don't feel produce because they don't go die. We don't go die for no even day Europe for here they suffer. You for no even day Europe here they suffer because food day. The way they important for life day. You understand me? So the day Nigeria, the day village, only the soup and only just salt and Maggi. Now you go the cost. Now you go the cheap. 50 naira Maggi and salt because if my mama now your mama get Maggi and salt everything dey backyard everything dey farm cassava yam akpu anything when you need tomatoes oil pepper all those things my mama dey do but they don't cost. Why? If you can afford just a bottle of champagne 700,000 1 million you can buy a table 1 million. I will know why, you know, if you buy beans 1 million, bag of rice 1 million, because you will the phone say, you won't build duplex. All those one where they buy car for everywhere, they do build duplex. They spend money anyhow. They buy casket, they buy champagne, and you see, person will go beer pal or whatever they call it. Go to shut and down 1 million. Give me champagne there 1 million. Give me Hennessy 2 million. Give me cigar. You can buy cigar €10 for Nigeria money almost 5,000. When we say I put rice all those things for 1 million. My guy, I go see how even money Dangote Davido, Two-Face, all those people who get money, all those them Adenuga, what they call all those tough people. When they chop our money, so those our leaders when they chop our money, we now we be say una still dey try to make it, but una go still dey try to buy vests that do duplex, do parapet. My guy, you don't see person wey be say if you go fit drink champagne sleep. Champagne, you fit drink champagne, you go sleep. You fit smoke igbofi, you go sleep. You fit smoke only cigar, you go sleep. You fit drink Hennessy, you go sleep. And after you don't use 1 million buy Hennessy finish, you go come go meet Mama Ejiro. How much is plate of rice? They will tell you say 1,000. You will come chop plate of rice 1,000. You will come eat and you will sleep, because now that one I can give you the life now. If you dey hungry now, you dey remember food. If you dey hungry now, you will go meet who they say. You will tell us how much for plate. They will tell you say 1,000. You will come buy them 1,000. You will eat. But if you hammer, get 10 million. You will come my guy Alpha. Come go shut a hotel down. Come go shut homes down. And after you dey remember Hennessy, Covasia, you no go remember those women when they suffer. You know if you go meet them again and go say, give me a cup of okpolo for there, they'll tell you say how much. You will say 2,000. You will give 100,000 for the cup of okpolo. When you don't have man, na champagne, Hennessy, Covasia. But at the end of the day, if you're hungry, the mama you won't kill you. You will come. How much for a plate of soup? The plate of food, they'll tell you say 1,000. And that time you come to say, do you want they pay me? You know if you still buy and you say, madam, you will give her 10,000, say keep the change. But if you buy champagne 1 million, if you give the 1.2 million, say keep the change. What did they worry you now? I say, if they give me that seat for Nigeria and make a rule, Nigeria go correct. What did they worry you now? People support the evil they enjoy for Nigeria, they don't enjoy. Farmers, agriculture, people support the enjoy, don't enjoy. Nigeria, all those fancy things, will not be anything. Moto, what the moto they do? What the parapet won't do? What the champagne and Hennessy they do for body? When we say what they put at not the cost. I stand for soup, I stand for soup. For food stuff, I stand for the all those things about the cost for Nigeria. Nigeria go correct. When you be saying you say you be big man now, you want carry bag of rice put for house 1 million. You buy one bag of beans 1 million. Everything at 2 million. Buy Ororo 2 million. That's 4 million. You can go buy a carton of fish 2 million. I go know how you go take buy champagne. Whether champagne market no go fall. We will tell ourselves the truth now. Champagne market will fall. Hennessy will fall. If you build ourselves, roof fan, you go be happy. You know we will talk about parapet again. Because when you don't calculate food stuff, other food stuff when you go buy now, just 2 months or other thing when you buy 2 months, you will finish. If you don't feel na big men go they buy them, all those one they talk about. The people will not be big men now. If they won't buy, they'll come to say cup of rice. It will be that kind of 50,000. 1 cup of rice and 50,000. And for village now they say they do rice for village. Will the manager nyam, satana, bitter leaf, ogbolo okra, all those one full village. The only way thing go dey cheap for Nigeria go be Maggi and salt. Now that one be my problem. Now I know say my mama no go fit bring. Now your own mama when see devil no fit bring. I go print the meat. We know they buy fish. Say big man say they buy with it high. They go they buy them. Me I go they set trap for farm. They catch rabbit. They use that they cook. They eat. I no go even they eat fish. I go they eat meat. We get goat, get different things. And those things now they suppose the cost. Now come just the rodeo like you. Now that one our problem. Make food stop the cost. Make una put 1 bag of rice 1 million. 2 beans 1 million. Ororo 2 million. Red oil 2 million. You hear me? So tomatoes 2 million. Everything. Make that they put a million. When you calculate all this one coin, everybody will they like to the build. If you feel even build room at Palace Secretary, you go they happy. Another thing that is important for life. You don't eat, you go die. How you go fit buy champagne of 1 million? You know fit buy to a carton of tomatoes 100,000. You call the carton of tomatoes 2,000. What is they worry you now? And they come on Saturday now I want tell now everything. On Saturday when I go hear my story. On Saturday they come. You understand? At the very this afternoon now me be soup not the rain. The latest comedy of the year. I stand for soup. Subscribe for my YouTube channel. Share them. Now that share not important. Share them. Make the sian for Nigeria. Make Nigeria make correct. Share them. Make Buhari sian. Make Nigeria head correct. Make all those competition, all those challenges, all those wasting of money. May stop. All those things I want me to do for Nigeria. Make those things they cost. What did they stop at the best? Becky.